Hey gang, Poppy here. One moment. Yeah, that's right. It's tinfoil hat time. I waited till dinner time to watch the news today. 400 people shot this weekend. You need your head examined. Maybe they should pound the point down. Make it round. Oh, and that pipeline shut down because of ransomware. I'm hearing words that computers that shouldn't have been on the internet were on the internet. Basic computer security. If it don't need to be on the internet, in other words, unless you're downloading or uploading, don't be on the internet. Especially don't have the controllers for like a power plant or a pipeline or anything important online. Seriously? No. Think real hard about computer security.